Hey guys, we're here with Tom Sykes, 2013 World Superbike Champion, and we're the Redline radio. So we're gonna ask Tom a few questions. Tom, what's your favorite track?
I think just because of the amount of success I've had, it's Donington Park in the UK, but honestly speaking, from layout terms, I would say the Czech Republic and Brno racetrack.
Awesome. Okay, Tom. So aside from being World Superbike Champion in 2013, what is your favorite memory, most memorable moment?
Yeah, basically I think, okay, I'm very blessed with doing the racing and becoming World Superbike Champion. Like you said, there's no feelings that can replace that, but I think for me was when I had my first daughter. That was an incredible lifestyle change, and you know, now I get to share a massive amount of love every day with two great girls.
What's your favorite track? What's your favorite bike?
Yeah, I mean, I'm very lucky. I've got a great history of Kawasaki. My favourite bike was the ZX-10R, especially the 2016 Ninja. The bike is awesome. I've also got the H2R, which is the supercharged bike with 327 horsepower. So that's certainly fast, and you know you're not allowed to use it on the road. It's for closed circuit use only, but that's awesome. Well, I've not tested it fully yet, but I'm sure the top speed. I'll let you know.
Okay, perfect.
No worries.
Thank you so much for your time.
No worries, pleasure. Cheers, guys.
We love Tom Sykes.
Thank you.
And the Redline ribbon. Thank you. Look at you. I know, I'm sure. Can we get you to say Redline Raven? Oh, yeah.
Take two.
We're here with Tom Sykes and the Redline Raven.
There we go. Nice.